pause the video now, guys, and try this question on binomial expansion from the EDEXCEL, okay, June 2019, Mathematics, Paper 1, Pure Maths 1 for the full A-level course. Okay, question 4a. Find the first three terms in ascending powers of x, okay, of the binomial expansion of 1 over the square root of 4 plus x, giving each coefficient in its simplest form. Step 1, write this in index form. I'm going to have 1 brackets 4 minus x to the power of minus a half. Okay, so the negative power does the reciprocal, makes it 1 over. Power of a half makes it the square root. Okay, again, if you need to revise this here, obviously check out my GCSE maths playlist here, obviously for fractional and negative indices. Okay, hopefully you're happy with that step there. I'm now going to factor out or factorize out a 4 to the minus half. So 4 to the minus half, guys, okay, brackets 1 minus a quarter x to the power of minus a half. Again, the reason is because, remember, whenever we're doing binomial expansion, okay, in A-level maths or whatever level of maths you're doing, okay, across the world, okay, it has to be in the form 1 plus minus ax to the power of n, where a and n can be any number, okay, but it has to be in the form 1 plus or minus. At the beginning, it was in the form 4 minus something. Okay, so to change that, we factor out, okay, that. So 4 to minus half is 1 over root 4, which is going to be a half. We're going to have a half brackets 1 minus a quarter x to the minus half. And now it's just a case of using our formula, which is given to us in our formula booklet, okay, of 1 plus ax to the power of n is 1 plus nx plus n brackets n minus 1 over 2 factorial times x squared. And again, always check here and read how many terms they want. So they want the first 3 terms. Okay, so we go up to the x squared term. Okay, so we're going to have a half brackets 1 plus 1/8 x. Okay, because minus a quarter times minus a half becomes positive 1/8, and then plus n minus 1 n minus 1 over 2 factorial, which is just 2 times 1, which would be 2. And then we multiply that by minus a quarter x squared. Again, just obviously being this in the calculator here, if it's easier for you. Okay, remember, guys, yeah, I'll put stuff in brackets to make it explicitly clear that, yeah, I'm obviously raising everything to that power. Okay, plus dot, 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 and then we'll close that big bracket. Now, what do we have? We're going to have a half brackets 1 plus 1/8 x. Okay, minus a half minus 1 becomes minus 3 halves. That'll times it by that. That'll make it 3/8, if I'm not mistaken. No, sorry, what am I doing? Sorry, let me just be careful. Sorry, it makes it 3/4. Sorry, divided by 2 makes it 3/8. Okay, so we're doing 3/8 multiplied by 1/16 x squared. And again, so obviously work it out, okay, bit by bit. Okay, we're going to have plus 3 over, now 16 times 8, double it is 32, double it is 64, double it again will be 128, so 328 x squared plus dot, 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 okay, close the big brackets. Okay, now expand the bracket. A half times 1 is going to be a half. A half times 1/8 x will be 1/16 x. And then a half times 328 will be 3 over 256 x squared plus dot, dot, dot. Okay, the plus dot, dot, yeah, just signifies, yeah, obviously that it goes on forever, okay, because the expansion goes on forever, okay, but obviously in A-level maths, we usually work with like the first 3, 4, or maybe even 5 terms, okay, but usually, yeah, for A-level maths, we're looking at the first 3 terms, and then if you're interested, okay, remember that the modulus, yeah, if you're interested in like the range of values, We want the modulus of AX to be less than 1. Okay. To find the range of values here for which the expansion is valid for. So the modulus of X is less than 4. So the expansion is valid for when the modulus of X is less than 4, or when X is between -4 and 4. Okay. That's when the expansion is valid for. Okay. But that's it for me today, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. All the best. Speak soon.